Lesson 8, Section 2, some examples 2 and 3. And this is a self-study section. This is a self-study section. I want to go through each example and try to find sequence, the blocks, and all what it is being built through different passages addressing the conditional sentences. Some are implied and some are explicit, but you do your work in trying to find the sensors and how they are calling for attention about the reality that Luke is revealing. So the sample 2 is testing and revelation of faith, and I present the cumulative blocks A, B, C, and D, and I just present them, but you can study them and see if you find some exegetical results that will help us to understand better that the dynamic of the interpretative narrative that points to reality. And then we have this example 3, and this is about kingdom's perception and ethical insight. And we have, okay, here I have a mistake, it's block A and B and C and D. Just check it that it is, yes, here should be A and B. And then how we are building, trying to find the conditional sentences, what reality they are showing us, and how we can find meaning from those callings and from from the flow of thought that Luke is presenting, because it is not just a set flow of thought. It is set, yes, but that flow of thought is so rich that us humans, we need sometimes to do it in separate ways. So we do some example 1, example 2, example 3, and we can continue doing. And at the end, that's when we build the whole Lucan theology. And with that, then I just leave you to study this. And this lesson has been intentionally brief. I have presented 3 examples of possible patterns in which conditional sentences appear to form cumulative arguments with Luke's narrative. The exegesis and hermeneutics require both technical skill and artistic sensibility. That's why I want you to try them on your own. Sometimes we may identify a clear pattern, and sometimes we may not. And sometimes we will say, well, I am pushing too far. This is wrong. Even so, the exegetical exercise itself trains us to pay closer attention to the meaning and relevance of conditional sentences. As we have seen, they play a crucial role in reasoning. More than that, they call our attention to realities that might otherwise may go unnoticed or unacknowledged. Some conditional sentences, such as the one in Luke 7:49 that we saw lessons ago, can significantly eliminate the meaning of a passage on their own. Sometimes they are not building anything, they are just telling us here, period. Others may just seem less prominent, yet together may contribute to a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of Luke's theology. And with this, then, we conclude this section, and we also conclude the lesson. I still express my appreciation and my gratitude because you are going to study on your own for this lesson, okay? Thank you very much, and write and share with me your results. Many blessings in Christ.